Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 8. So, my dear student, let us start our class. Today is our lecture number 5, and there is a good news for you. There is no SW today. My dear student, our today's topic name exercise 4.2. Today we shall solve 1 and 2 of exercise 4.2, and also we shall discuss the formula of this chapter. Okay, and my dear student, let us start our class. At first we discuss about the formula of this chapter. The name of this chapter is cubic formula, cube. So here a plus b whole cube equal to what, my dear student? Notice a plus b cube means a plus b into a plus b whole square. So here you notice a plus b into a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now we multiply this number by a, and after that we multiply this number by b. So if we multiply a with this, then we get a square plus 2ab plus b square. This plus is here and b is multiplied with this expression. That means a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now we do multiplication. A is multiplied with a square and we get a cube. A is multiplied with 2ab and we get 2a square b, plus a is multiplied with b square and ab square. On the other hand, a square is multiplied with b and it will be a square b. B is multiplied with 2ab and we get 2ab square. B is multiplied with b square and it will be b cube. Now a cube, 2a square b, a square b, that means 3a square b. ab square, 2ab square, that means 3ab square. So b cube. My dear student, this is the formula of a plus b whole cube. So when we say a plus b whole cube equal to what? We say a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. We shall find this formula by solving this. Okay. From this we can write another one, a cube plus b cube. Okay. Next, from this one and this one we take 3ab as common, and here left a and here left b. So we can write a plus b whole cube into formula. One is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. On the other hand, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. My dear student, when you want to find out the cube, then we use this formula. When we want to find out formula, then we use this formula. I hope you have understood. So next we shall solve a minus b whole cube equal to what? How can we get formula? A minus b whole cube equal to, we can write a minus b into a minus b whole square. Now a minus b into, the formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Similar as the previous one. First of all, we multiply this expression by a and we get a square minus 2ab plus b square. Minus b is written here, and after that a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now we multiply a cube minus 2a square b plus ab square. Similar as minus a square b minus minus plus 2ab square minus b cube. Okay, so a cube same to minus 2a square b minus a. If we add, then we get 3a square b. ab square plus 2ab square, that means 3ab square minus b cube. So when I ask you a minus b whole cube equal to what, you must answer a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. We write another formula from this, a cube minus b cube. From this two expression, minus 3ab is common and left here a and here minus b. Okay. So when we want to find out the cube, we use this formula. When we want to use the values, then we use this formula. I hope you have understood. Now my dear student, by using these two formula, a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube, we find another two formula. One is, notice, a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, right? We want to find out the value of a cube plus b cube. So how can we change the whole side, a cube plus b cube? plus 3ab into a plus b, and this side is written here on the other side a plus b whole cube. Now a cube plus b cube, we want to find out this value, that means this position change and it will be a plus b whole cube, and it is plus, and when it changes position it will be minus 3ab into a plus b. So this is the formula of a cube plus b cube. Okay, we use this to find out values. Okay, similar way, when we want to find out a cube minus b cube, then we get a minus b whole cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Sorry, it will be plus. Okay, I hope you have understood, my dear student. Now another one, a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. My dear student, if we take a plus b common from this, we get here a plus b whole square and here 3ab. Okay, so a plus b into, we can write from this a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 3ab. Okay, so a plus b into a square, we subtract 2ab from minus 3ab and we get minus ab plus b square. So this is the formula of a cube plus b cube. When we want to find out factors, then we use this formula. I repeat, when you want to find out factors, then we use this formula. Another one is a cube minus b cube, similar as a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. I hope you have understood. Now my dear student, we shall solve some problem from your exercise. Please notice number 1. From 1 we shall solve C, M and J, and from 2 we shall solve B, E. Okay, so first of all we solve C number. So 5p plus 2q third cube. My dear student, we know a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Here we consider 5p means a and 2q means b. So 5p cube plus 3 into 5p square into 2q plus 3 into 5p into 2q whole square plus 2q cube. Okay, 5 cube means হচ্ছে 125 p cube. I hope you have understood. 5 cube means 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. Okay, so when you multiply 5 with 5, then we get 25. 25 is multiplied with 5 and we get 125, right? Okay, then next one, 3 2s are 6 cube, 5 5s are 25 p square. So 3 5s are 15 p, 2 2s are 4 cube. 2 cube means 8 q cube. Now 125 p cube plus we multiply 5 6 are 13, 5 2s are 6 2s are 12 plus 3 15, 115 p square cube plus 15 4s are 60 p q square, and 8q is written, 8q cube written here. This is the answer of this number. Next we shall solve question number M. Question number M is x cube minus 2y cube whole cube. So from this we write x cube whole cube minus 3 into x cube square into 2y cube plus 3 into x cube into 2y cube whole square minus 2y cube. So x cube 3 3s are 9 minus 3 x 3 2s are 6 x to the power 6 into 2y cube plus 3 into 3x cube into 2 square means 4 y cube square means 6 minus 2 cube means 8 and y to the power 9. Okay. Now x to the power 9, 3 2s are 6, x to the power 6 y cube plus 3 4s are 12 x cube y to the power 6 minus 8 y to the power 9. I hope you have understood, my dear student. Next we shall solve another one which is z. It is very big, my dear student, but so easy. So how can we solve this? Notice please. X square minus y square plus z square cube. So x square minus y square plus z square cube. This is a and this is b. So easily you can say x square minus y square cube plus 3 into x square minus y square into z square plus 3 into x square minus y square into z square whole square plus z square cube. Now we do calculation. X square cube minus 3 into x square whole square into y square plus 3 into x square into y square whole square minus y square cube, and we multiply 3 with z square, and it will be 3z square, and we write from this x to the power 4 minus 2x square y square plus y to the power 4. We write x square minus y square as formula, just like this. Okay, and similar way 3x square minus 3y square, we multiply 3 with this one, and it will be z to the power 4 plus z to the power 2 3s are 6. Now we do calculation. X to the power 6 minus 3x to the power 4 y square plus 3x square y to the power 4 minus y to the power 6. Now we multiply 3 z square x to the power 4 plus minus 3 2s are 6 x square y square z square, then again plus 3 y to the power 4 z square, again 3 z to the power 4 x square minus 3 y square z to the power 4 plus z to the power 6. Now my dear student, we arrange this number according to their order. X to the power 6 minus y to the power 6 plus z to the power 6. Okay, then minus 3 x to the power 4 y square plus 3 x to the x square y to the power 4, then plus 3 z square x to the power 4, then plus 3 z to the power 4 x square, then plus 3y to the power 4 z square minus 3y square z to the power 4, then minus 6 x square y square z square. I hope you have understood, my dear student. Next we shall solve 2-number question. So easy. Two B number question, my dear student. We consider 2p plus 5q whole cube minus 3 2p plus 5q square, 2p minus 5q minus 2p plus 3 into 2p plus 5q into 5q minus 2p square plus 5q minus 2p the whole cube. So first of all write 2p plus 5q whole cube plus 3 into 2p plus 5q square into 5q minus 2p plus 3 into 2p plus 5q minus 2p whole square plus 5q minus 2p cube. Dear student, first of all we consider, let 2p plus 5q equal to x. and 5q minus 2p equal to y. My dear student, please notice a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. My dear student, please notice here plus sign. So we do addition. When you notice all the sign are addition, then we do addition. That means 2p minus 2p both are cut. No need to cut, we just write here. So here 5q means 10q equal to x plus y. Now we write this means x cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube, and from this we can write x plus y whole cube, and this value is 10q whole cube, and we get 10 tens are 100 and 100 tens are 1000 q cube, and this is the answer, right? Okay, next we shall solve question number E, and it is our last question. E number question is x minus y cube plus x plus y cube plus 6x into x square minus y square. So from this we can write x minus y cube plus x plus y cube plus 3 into 2x, and it is written as x plus y into x minus y, right? Now we consider let x minus y equal to a and x plus y equal to b. Dear student, please notice plus, so plus sign, we do addition. So y and y cut and left 2x, and if we do addition of a and b, and we get a plus b. Now we can write a cube plus b cube plus 3 into 2x means a plus b and ab. So it is written as a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. That means it is the formula of a plus b whole cube, and the value of a plus b is 2x. So we write 2x here, 2x cube. 2 cube means 8 and x cube means x cube. So 8x cube is the answer of question number E. My dear student, I hope you have understood my today's lecture. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.